Sanibonani ma South Africa mahle. Yet again namhlanje sizokhuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs on this episode yeJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs so far this season they've been doing well and by improve kuphi from the previous seasons, and ba title contender or kanjani. Babukeka kwamanje baphusha iSundowns, baphusha iOrlando Pirates, they are there. Yabona, even though abanye abantu banokuthi iwina ngama 1-0, but the good thing ukuthi they don't concede a lot of goals, so i-defense yabo is much more tighter. Knowledge uyibona kanjani mfana so far njengoba sesiku mid season e2020 25-26 season, whereby iKaizer Chiefs sagcina kudala ukuyibona ikule position ekuyo?
Very impressed by Kaizer Chiefs this year. Too much improvement from the team.
Yeah.
We all know Kaizer Chiefs, and it will always be compared by how they've done previously. Irayenu, and maybe the past 10 years where they've struggled, and also this season. There's too much improvement. So this season, Abantu, yes, we want to say they are title contenders because the numbers say they are title contenders. And someone would say, Chiefs, you don't want to put them under pressure. But our numbers don't lie. Kaizer Chiefs are title contenders.
Yes.
For the very first time in a very long time, Sibona Chiefs ipushana neSundowns nePirates. Kaizer Chiefs siyazi sekuyi team ele sekuyabo Akhashemi Lafi. But this season Ntwana, they've been very impressive. They've been very impressive, and they are, as kumnandi ukuba yilo Ntuzane, a dark horse. They are a dark horse, according to me, and they are standing a good chance. Lama 1-0 abawina ngawo ama champion score Ntwana.
Oh yeah.
Champion score.
And this is ikhohliwe la because kudala vele bese sokushanga champion score 1-0.
1-0. No one is watching you. People waloko bakudelela bathi uwina ngenhlanhla. It's okay. Remember that the Kaizer Chiefs mfethu, they are still rebuilding. Bakuma rebuilding phases. Angithi, but these two coaches took over from Coach Nabi, and then bayaqhubeka nge-rebuilding phase yabo. So they never said they want to win the league, but they are there. So abana pressure, abantu abane pressure iPirates kakhulu, mina I can tell you that. Abantu abane pressure ilapha. So if you are a dark horse, uvela so uvele ekugcineni bathi nami ngila.
Manje mawubhekile Ntwana, okay, nami ngizophawula, but wena as now we coach, labo coach laba yini Ntwana into different abay introduceile kuKaizer Chiefs before uNabi, because baspanile noNabi, we all know that, but uNabi left and then basala bona yini wena into mhlambe ongathi uyayipick up ama uyibhekile Chiefs idlala since bathathe over ukuthi like by improve kanjani team?
First, the biggest improvement abayenzile lapha in that team is to build a confident yama player. Number one for me, confident yama player. 2, defensive structure se team as a whole. See proper. Coaches will tell you, Coach Kevin Hunt will tell you, strikers will win you games, defenders they win you championship. So how you build your team as a coach, as they are rebuilding the team now, you must strengthen the team yako from the back. We building it. From the back to the front.
Yeah.
As you can see, they are not as strong. That's why we winning 1-0, because last season, remember Coach Nabutin, they created more chances, but they could not convert them.
Yeah.
This year, at least bayazama bashala 1-0 and then they move abenza and bavalile move. So that's how we build a team. We call a mover, build it from the back to the front. And so they are strong defensively. It means that if we don't score, none angeke score. So at least zobuya ne point. But at least now their strikers early one bayalithola ngenhlanhla leyo bazolithola igoli eli one. Coach Peter used to say, I know my team. if we don't concede, we will get a goal.
Yeah.
If we don't concede, we will get a goal. So in the case of Chiefs in future, they are like that. Even though they don't have a proven goal scorer, but out of their attackers, abomfundo Vilakazi, labafana abancane, umuntu Lilepo, Modi, one of them, Google Silas Piti. Once it jonga defensive
no
yabo tight.
The striker
No Silva
also.
He's uyambona ukuthi una something.
We adapt
Uyangithola. So one of them uzolithola igoal because baya create ama chances again. They are creating chances. And for me that's a good sign. They are creating chances, they are just not converting. Abo Silva bayavela, they are not composed in front of goals. That is why maybe they are not taking as much chances. But as they continue to improve and gain confidence, they will score more goals.
Yeah, Mfana, you are so right, Vele, because last season, Chiefs conceded, I think, 31 goals or 30 goals.
The entire season?
Yeah, the whole season, which it was bad.
It was very bad,
for Kaizer Chiefs, young told. So we consider Makola Paya and Manju Ushilo now, which is, I agree with you, Guti Vele, a team the way being a corner. Melukalu Valley mover, and then gradually, I'm a midfielder, and then the strikers nabo bazoba composed, nabo babe na confidence ukuthi mabathola ama chance babe clinical, because I mean ama stats ayasho u goalkeeper konjubani wayengimkhohlwa Peterson. I think now he's sitting on 9 clean sheets. We understand, we are uthandi is ama stats. That's a big record.
Yeah.
I think yagcina ngokhuni some years ukuba nama clean sheet so, and the first 5 games actually of this season he didn't concede. Yeah. That was another record. Yangithola. So mina I still feel ukuthi amanye ama player lawa uMabuye, uNdlovu.
Yeah.
I think those guys, they also brought that stability. Yes, I was expecting more from Ucele. You know, I was expecting more from Ucele, I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
But they are injured. Kumula la bekacala ukudlala khona ukiwa disturb na injured. I think now he's still trying to get into his feet.
Is he fit now, man, to play?
I think so. Yeah. I think so. But the two uNdlovu noMabuye mfethu, and uMabuye phela comes ubuya kuMamelodi Sundowns where he won everything, so he's got the winning mentality. So that it brought something very different to Kaizer Chiefs in terms of their approach and belief. Uguti gents, we can do it as long as we know Uguti defensively we are solid. Then we can score. We will win these games. And in Tenkulu futhi kumele si mention that Nedbank Cup, to win that cup, bruh.
Yeah, brought confidence.
Because if bebangongwendanga next badliwe ku final,
yeah,
can you imagine ukuthi bezobayenzani futhi?
Yeah.
Coming to the new season. Bezobalima. So that one cup earlier season, gents, I think for me it was a turning point for Kaizer Chiefs in terms of Amachita to start believing, but also knowing ukuthi chance we Spanish buy ikumele sisenze, and nama signing wabo asayina Amachita grand. Yes, I knew ukuthi manje njoba iwindow beyivuliwe yabona some of the Chiefs fans bebathi ebo Pirates nabo Sundowns they are signing thina we don't sign, but mina I felt ukuthi ama player bhaye bawasayinile bewangakadlali fandiwana.
Yeah.
So to bring other players ngale window le kungakadlali labe, so it was gonna cause more confusion.
Yeah.
So I think for me na the management yenze ithatha decision right. You understand in terms of that, because bezo destabilize yonke into futhi.
Yes.
You understand. So I mean mawubheka for example bofuna ungena.
Yeah, usakhuluma ngayo in terms of squad depth. Mina something that I pick up and I advise my players. Sometimes you start a season udlala wena. The first few games udlala like Kaizer Chiefs lapha esigubhini bedlala lo mfana umthetho. Now akudlala yena kuno Lontuzana, kuno Mabuye. But in football nabondlovu uyangithola. In football mfethu, I'm a player, you need to be strong as a player, and the squad depth is very important.
Yeah.
The players that start the season normally they don't finish it. So now we play and you must always be ready to say, hey, bazongidonsa. my time will come. You must always work hard ukuthi my time will come and I will contribute to the team. Ngithola manje njengoba badlala bolo, it does not mean ukuthi mhlambe abomthethwa they must drop their heads. What happens if ulona umabuyo uyalimala? Umthethwa must come back, or whoever ucele must come back. So each and every player teaming is very important. That's how you win a league. That's how you compete in Ntwana ngokuthi squad sakho sibe balanced. You can't play in a team one from first game to the last game. That's how futhi amanye ama team lose ama titles, because they don't know how to balance their teams.
No, you are so right. Very Yamachita, they are professionals. They must, because nyazi ukuthi mawucheka the likes of Sundowns ne Pirates. The Pirates, the past few seasons, if you are kumula, they shot and get depth. Maybe 13 players is strong but manje makumele substitute now the problem. But now they've got impact players. They've won a lot of games from the bench. So it achieves now players, they need to understand that. Yabona ukuthi joba ni 30 ni sign with Kaizer Chiefs nonke. Nibaluleke nonke and nizodlala certain games angeke kwadlale, certain games adinga usense, certain games adinga uJabu, certain games adinga ubanibani. But let's come to Umfundo. I saw last few games nyana 2 games or so bambeke lapha ku number 10, because I also felt ukuthi esayidini it was too much for him. Yes, yena washayila ama few goals. Abuya from angene second half, but Abuya from the side, cutting inside, because une technique emnandi. But what's your take laphana ku number 10? I still feel it okay akakayenzi much because now it's a new role futhi for him, and we must not forget that he's still like 20 sasentwana Umfundo. But what's your take ngale role ebamnika yona manje as a 10 Umfundo, impact azoba nayo for Kaizer Chiefs?
I feel good that's his position. Because Emma Saitin, I don't think he's that quick to take on players and bring in a cross or combine. You know, Umfundo ilama player now, he's a thinker. More than of a runner. He's a thinker, he's got a pass in him. So mawumbeka lapha mfethu ku number 10 uzokunlokela amalontuzana. Uzokucombine, uzokutholela ama-assist, uzokukorela futhi, because he's got a shot in him. So I think that's his best position. So abamnikeze more games in that position, I think he will improve lapha.
No, because bengisafuna ukusho in a sense ukuthi ngicheckile lana Chiefs improvement Kaizer Chiefs. During this time of the season, which is mid-season,
yes.
2023-24 bebana 13 points
this time of the season.
13 points. Then 2024-25 season bebana 19 points during this time of the season. So there was that improvement there. And then manje current season 25-26 season bagu 30 points, which means they were very strong, very defensive, and they've considered only 6 games. So the Massachusetts break it down when you check from 2023-24 until March. The team has been improving.
They've been improving, and it's a massive improvement from when they had 13 points to now 30 points. That's 17 points improvement. Yabona ukuthi if you're gonna take them lightly, you take them lightly at your own peril. Take them lightly at your own peril, because ntwana league ulontuzana coach Eric Tinkler was talking about this, which league you don't win league ngokushaya Sundowns or the Pirates.
No,
you must still play the other teams
and beat them
and beat those. That's where you win the league.
Uyangithola
mawuya ku Chiefs Pirates, hope for a draw mhlambe, and maybe ungabashaya na. And you know Chiefs and Pirates always, it's either a draw or a 1-0 nyana, or Chiefs, even the Chiefs at their worst, they always match the Pirates. So it derby, it's a game yaka noma ubani. You understand? So nalapho kusho ukuthi i Chiefs they have points ku Pirates. or i-Pirates have points ku-Chiefs.
Yeah.
Vice versa,
Vice
uyangithola.
versa, yeah.
So kusho ukuthi i-Chiefs this season iyawashaya lama team ekumele washaya. Which tells you ukuthi they do stand a chance of winning the league.
So I go reach le ama 1-0.
Ingwari
Not
as long as
scoring
they are
more, because,
collecting the points bavalile
because
move.
this season so far also they've only managed to score 15 goals, which means ibuya kule lento esikhulumayo, because they've already played 15 to 16 games man, which means bakora only 1 goal per game.
No mfana, yeah, the very most important thing, they are not conceding.
And then bathatha ama 3 points, which is more important for
and abantu benzani bayabadelela. We dark horse, relax mfethu. Aziba uphapha nini sekusele 5 games umuntu aphethe ama calculator bathi yey nayi le Chiefs vele ikhona nayo la.
So they will go all the way when I'm open.
So hayi mina ngahamba ngama 1-0 kanje serelaxile, but into ebhlungu ukuthi this league title might be decided ngama goals futhi i-Chiefs ingazitholile lapha bathi sekubalwa ama goal bakhawathi ama goal, so they need to improve vele.
Oh yeah, offensive in terms of being clinical and taking those chances, because honestly speaking, sorry ukukhatha, even the last season unabi ka right, i-Chiefs ama game abhaya be dominate and be wa create ama chance vele, but beba ngakori, and mawungakori i-scoreboard masingachinji wena bayakora then udliwe. So beka right, so namanje they still abakayibambi kahle lapha phambili in terms of ukuthi babe clinical, so they need to improve laphayana. And as soon as possible, because manje sekwama cup final, all the 15 games ezisele or 14 games ezisele towards the end, sekwama cup final wonke. Once you lose 1 game or 2 games, uba ne problem, because they are kunama team, for example njengabo iAmazulu ina 30 points ilingana ne Chiefs current, uyabona, bese uthola isikhukhune ku number 5 sina 29. So nabo we have to give them credit.
They are title contenders.
They are, because from number 5 una 29 points is Kukune. I mean, it difference to number 1.
It's 3 points.
It's only 3 points. Number 1 not 32. No number 2.
Yeah.
So these 5 teams are title contenders.
Definitely.
But now, because it's khulumile ngeChiefs ntwana before sizoyivala, asithi kancane ngoArthur no coach Eric Tinkler ntwana, because Eric Tinkler, I mean, honestly, being feeler, lesikhathi bamsign, being still being nalento ukuthi Amarosiema, he was not bad, because he was still there, number 4, number 5, if you are Komoli. He was not out of the top 8. So I felt with him, they were too harsh, but it seems like they've made a correct decision by bringing Tinkler laphayana. And then uArthur ngale uqale ayikho coach no Vusumuzi uVilakazi, you understand. And then this season waba head coach, and look at Amazulu how they play. That's why nabo bana 30 points, they are still title contenders. Lama team lawa surprisingly ntwana when a personal ukuthi during this time of this season balaphayana only 3 points difference from number 1.
Yeah, obviously bang surprisingly I never thought Amazulu would be where they are. I never thought this Kukune would be where they are currently. There's teams beswabhekile abo Stellenbosch, yabo ukuthi they'd be there pushing Pirates as well as Sundowns. But then Coach Atazwane ntwana, we spoke about him last year.
Yeah.
And we did say ukuthi he's a very good coach.
And the statistics
simele ukuthi abe i-coach
I1
aqale isizini I1 simbone ukuthi how will he do as proven, because one thing mawungabheka, South African coach number 5, South African coach number 4.
Yeah.
These ama coach wethu lawa mfethu, that I don't think Eric Tinkler is an up and coming coach. He just needs to put himself there in the elite coaches but South Africa, because he's been there as a coach. So he needs to win something now manje as a coach for his profile, for his CV. Because he's been there for a very long time now. He's an experienced coach. Coach Atazwane has been given a chance. I've never doubted his ability because of the players that he's brought in at Kaizer Chiefs, players that he has developed at Kaizer Chiefs. Bekubonisa ukuthi le outhi le ball yalkena le. And the character ya Atazwane, character ya coach vele.
Yeah.
La coach kufuna ukuthi ube nokuntraina nyana.
Yeah.
Uyangithola. So I've seen coach Atazwan, he's that coach yabo unalento le. Yabo coach aba successful. So I think he will do well going forward from now on.
Hayi ntwana, I think sesimnandi so uthi Chiefs izoya all the way.
With bazoyina.
Yeah.
Angabafakeli pressure. They don't need
Kaizer Chiefs there's pressure.
They are contenders.
Like there's pressure
Are
ntwana.
you asking me?
Ungena village sone pressure. Mawungena la sone pressure. So ungalibeli ugibela ihlathi. Ungena la sone pressure.
Mamela, hasn't seen me. Hasn't seen.
Yeah.
They've done well for themselves.
Okay.
Ne? And they stand a good chance to win the league.
Okay. Hey.
Zoyivala kanje.
Hey, bambiza sense of knowledge for nothing. No, Ntwana, nice one, Makosi. Yeah, no, that was a show about the Kaizer Chiefs. Of course, it's Tachile, Niskukune, ne Amazul, because they are also in terms of the numbers, they nabo ama balapha nabo. We can't write them off. But this episode was Kulmang Kaizer Chiefs. So Ntwana, last question, yokugcina. Who's your like a player very early Chiefs or I'm a player with Chiefs from the first season until now abe outstanding and consistent for you?
Peterson, without a doubt.
Yeah. So he deserve a call up.
We deserve.
We deserve a call up.
We deserve. Yeah, he's doing well in
Yeah.
future. That one we can't take away. And like that goalkeeper Joe has been good from the day one as Asanagu Chiefs. The only problem that he had previously is that Berana Lama mistake la Costi team. He would play 89 minutes without a mistake. A Shama save. One mistake I'll try to fagene team.
No, but sekayilungisile.
But he's yabona ukuthi akasazenzi lento le and he's showing his kind of uyamazi ukuthi unjani le he talks he's a good goalkeeper.
Yeah, no, thanks Bafethu. That was episode namhlanje. I'm also happy impressed.
Yeah.
Let me say that way. Yeah, impressed performance Elumfano Solomons. Although I still feel he can do more because he brings a lot of energy like Kaizer Chiefs and he challenged no Munyai nae Umunyani nae coming from Orlando Pirates wins it that competition. Yeah, by pushana manje, and that's a healthy
on the left as well, same thing.
On the lefty,
Marco and Lentona Aiden McCart. Lentona le.
Thank you.
Is a future star. That one.
Ukwinika and Miguel Nabo.
Good combination. They're doing well in faith.
Yeah.
Asbanigeza ama flowers wow.
Thank you. Bafethu, please ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe, share and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates ezeJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Shuffling Diski Ringasi. Namhlanje bese Kaizer Chiefs ngokuthi improve kanjani from the previous seasons. Danko Bafethu.